In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Notion and invite your team. Start by opening the Notion app and logging in with your account. If you haven't used Notion in a while, give the app a second to sync your content. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for your current workspace name. Tap that name to open the workspace switcher. This is where you can move between existing spaces, and it's also where you'll create a fresh one. Next, tap New Workspace. This tells Notion you want a clean place to organize work that's separate from your personal notes or other teams. You'll be prompted to choose the purpose of this workspace. You'll see options like Team, Company, or Project. Pick the one that best matches how you plan to use it. This doesn't lock you in forever, but it helps Notion suggest the right starting structure and templates. After you select the purpose, tap Next. Now it's time to bring people in. Notion makes this simple with an invite link. Tap to copy the invite link, then share it with your teammates through your usual channels like email or your messaging app. Sending the link ensures they land directly in the correct workspace without extra steps. Keep in mind that anyone with the link and the right access settings can join, so share it only with people who should be there. When you're done, tap Next. You may see a couple of short screens confirming details or offering quick tips. Just tap Next until you reach the page that says Get Started. Tap Get Started to open your new workspace. You'll land on a starter page. From here, you can customize it or choose a template to give you a solid foundation. If you already know what you want, start by renaming the page to reflect your team, company, or project. Add a brief description at the top so everyone understands the purpose and what belongs here. If you prefer a faster setup, explore the Templates gallery. Templates are great because they come with pre-built pages for tasks, meetings, roadmaps, wikis, and more, which you can tweak and expand as you go. Whichever path you choose, keep things simple at first. Create only the pages you need today and build from there as your team settles in. And that's it. You've created a new Notion workspace, invited your team, and set the stage for a clean, organized start.